Okay, can you tell us more about your company, Forest Road Railwood?
We manufacture and supply solid wood, engineer wood, decking, and many other solid wood products.
And exotic wood.
Okay, can you tell us what is so special about this, the real wood from Forest Wood?
We carry a lot of exotic woods from countries as far as South America and Africa. We have a wide range of species that other competitors cannot match.
And we also have our own factory in Malaysia, so we can customize for customer any design.
What kind of promotions are you having at Expo for this week?
For this expo, we are having all-in supply and install at $690 per square feet. You can also visit us at our showroom at 421 Targo 8.
Or call us 62543828. See you!